Okay, so here we have the main drain skimmer valve, which runs through on the suction line coming from the pool where the water comes to our pump. So this can be altered. I've got the pump running at the moment in a low speed. Even if it's in high speed, I can move this while the pump is running. All I have to do is undo the top of this nut as such, and you can see the off position at the moment. We can switch that to point the off towards the MD for main drain, and that means all our water is now coming from this side, which is SKIM, the skimmer side. So by having this drain, this valve allows us to work out where we want the water to come from. We normally have it set about 80% from the skimmer so that you get a good movement of the water into the skimmer drain across the top, picking up all your debris, and 20% roughly coming from the main drain in the bottom of the pool, which allows a good circulation of your water within the pool. So if you were to use your vacuum, you might want to up the volume or the pressure of your vacuum. You can by turning off your main drain and having full skimmer, and you'll see later that that will increase the vacuum pressure. So for now we'll leave that on 80-20. So the water's come up here, it's gone in our 80-20 distribution into our pump. The pump then has the outlet coming up here. You can see our arrows showing where the water movement's going, and across here in our pool equipment to our filter. So this is where the filtration process happens. We'll go through the filter in a bit more detail later. From the filter, depending how we have it set, it can either go back towards the pool with this arrow here, or it can go to waste through this arrow here if we're backwashing or rinsing or running waste off the pool to reduce our water level of the pool. But for now, going back to the pool, back through our probes and our acid feed and around and into our chlorinator cell. In this chlorinator cell, we have the chemical process take place with the salt, and we're able to create chlorine. Chlorine created then runs back into the pool. Depending what you've got the chlorine set on, I'm about to up the ante on the speed of the pump to show you how you can actually physically see the fizzing in here, which shows you that the chlorine's been made. I'm just going to turn on high. It's going to make a bit of noise. There we go. Where are we? I'll just take a second. We're not going to see any fizzing here, actually, are we? There's no salt in here. So this one's